All right, everyone. So last time what we were working on was finding from area to circumference, okay? Now, if you guys understood those steps, great. But there was one step that I noticed a lot of people got confused on and they asked me to go over, so I'm gonna go over it. So when you get to r squared equals something, let's say it's 225, right? Here, let me repeat what I was saying. You're thinking, what times itself equals 225, right? Now, we can think like that and then try to plug in numbers, but sometimes it's a decimal, so we're not really sure. So instead, what we can do is the inverse operation. The way we get rid of this square, the inverse of squaring is square rooting. Because potentially on the right side, look, we're thinking what times what is 225. That's what a square root is. So the square root of r squared, it's what times what will get me r squared. That's just r. And what times what will get me 225? Well, this is where I ran into some problems that the kids were telling me. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to I'm going to switch over to my camera view to show you my laptop. And we're going to go to desmos.com/scientific. If you guys look at the top, it says desmos.com/scientific. And we're going to look for the square root button. Remember, we're doing the square root of 225. So guys, here's the square root button. And then we're just going to type in 225. And voila, look, it's 15. The answer is 15. So what we're going to do is switch over here. We're going to go back to this, and we're going to have r equals to 15. There you go. So then we get r equals 15. We can use that in our circumference formula, c equals 2 pi r. But basically, this is the main concept I wanted to go over to find the square root of a number. All right, thank you, everyone.